Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super festive holiday gift wrap package. And the bow is so super simple to make. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece. Now I'm going to use a glue dot to attach this to my package, but you could use hot glue or you could use your Bowdabra Bow Wire. And this also could be a really cute little wreath attachment as well. So all I'm doing is taking our ribbon, laying it down into my Bowdabra, and we've already dovetailed the ends, so you don't have to watch me dovetail everything. And so I'm just going to keep layering in they're basically scraps of ribbon, but we cut them specifically for this bow. So we're just going to, and they're all about 12 inches long. So we're just going to lay that in. Now here, this is the same on both sides. So all I have to do is just lay this in and lay that in. And this is how we make our funky bow. But if your ribbon is not the same on both sides, then we're just going to twist. You're going to take it, twist it 180 degrees, and then fold this back in here. So let's see. And this is a wired mesh ribbon, which I really love. So we're just going to lay that down in here and go ahead, and I'm going to not twist this one. I'm just going to lay it down inside here and take one more and just lay this down. So let me make sure I have the right amount of loops. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Lay this down here. Then what I'm going to do is take this cute little whimsical pick and lay this down into my Bowdabra, and then actually I'm going to put this in first. So I'm going to take my little pick here and just lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my whimsical pick and lay this down, and then I'm going to take these pieces here, lay them down into my Bowdabra. And for those of you that aren't familiar, we have our YouTube channel has over 950 how-to videos on it. And our blog, which is at bowdabra.com, we've got more than a couple thousand tutorials on different ways to use the Bowdabra. So you definitely want to check out bowdabra.com, and also our YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video that comes up, and when we go live, which is about once a week. So now I'm going to pull this out of my Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot, and we'll double knot it and tie it tight, knot it here. So please write down in the comments where you're watching from and how you heard about Bowdabra. And also, if you have a Bowdabra or a mini Bowdabra, or if you're just watching for the first time and you don't have any Bowdabra. So we're just going to pull all this here, bring this up here, and then I'm going to take my box and I'm going to cut my wire. And I think I have another piece of wire here that I need to cut. And then I'm going to take my zots, which are basically just adhesive dots, and I'm going to put it here, and that's how I'm going to attach this to my package. So you have this adorable little package that was, let's put it this way, that was so super simple to make. Isn't that fun? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.